In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily disable direct messages on Instagram in 2020. And we are going to start right away. So once we're here on our Instagram page, you want to click on these three stripes at the bottom or at the top right corner. I'm sorry. So just click on that, open up the settings, and we want to go to the notification settings right here. And once you're in the notification settings, just click on the direct messages, just like this. And we basically just want to, turn everything off. And what this does is this just disables all the notifications of your direct messages. And unfortunately, there isn't an actual way to actually disable direct messages on Instagram, which is quite unfortunate, but this is like the best method you could do to disable all the messages on Instagram. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.